right now. See, it's the Ram Power Days, and I have over 100 new Rams to choose from, and all of them are discounted up to $13,000. So what does that mean to you? That means 20-inch rims, Hemi, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty for under $18,000. And hey, if you need a little bit more room, how about a crew cab for under $24,000? This is only at your Fast Fun Improvement dealership at Kiwi Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
WYFF News 4 Sports is sponsored by Fairway Ford. Always low prices and always open at fairwayford.com.
In this week's Greenville Journal, golf champ Gary Player is showing off his new golf course at the Cliffs Mountain Park. You can read all about it and its divot resistance feature, as well as a bunch of other surprises on this environmentally friendly course. That is in this week's Greenville Journal. And this week, cool down, but then it gets warm again.
That's right. It warms back up starting tomorrow with inch up each and every day towards the end of the week. It's going to be a beautiful week. Dry, sunny, typical fall.
Great. Well, thanks for watching WYFF News 4. Have a great day.
This is a WYFF4 editorial. Speaking on behalf of the editorial board is President and General Manager Jase.
A milestone is being passed in our community this month. A milestone we feel is significant and speaks to the business around us. On Wednesday, October 24th, Meals on Wheels of Greenville will deliver its 10 millionth meal. Meals on Wheels has grown from its humble start in 1968 when the organization worked out of the Westminster Presbyterian on Augusta Road. Now, 44 years later, volunteers deliver 1,500 meals each weekday to citizens all around Greenville County. For some who receive their midday meal, it may be the only full meal they get each day. These meals are free of charge for homebound clients who not only get a good, nutritious meal, but also something else very important. A warm smile, human contact, someone to talk with, something many senior citizens don't get during the course of the day. Meals on Wheels has the ambitious goal of ending senior hunger in Greenville County